Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the homestead. It is a beautiful spring day here in Texas, in North Texas. Yes, it is already spring, even though it's the end of February. Today I wanted to do a video. I'm getting back more into some prepper content. Obviously, I'm doing a lot of homestead content. I'm still doing some solar. I'm still doing stuff like that, but I really want to get back to my roots, to all the way to the beginning of the channel. The whole purpose of this channel is self-reliance, and a big part of that is being prepared, not necessarily like crazy nutso prepper, like militia, all that stuff, but just being prepared and thinking ahead, thinking of what can happen and how you would handle that. So today I wanted to bring you a product that I'm excited about. I'm going to be putting this on my web store, but I really just wanted to bring everybody's awareness to this. Whether you buy this directly from the company or whether you buy it from me, I don't really care. I really just want to promote this product because I think it's awesome. Now, this is, the company is called OffGrid AI ToolKit. It's a guy that I met named David. And we've kind of become friends where we have a lot of the same interests. He's helping me out, I'm helping him out, so it's a great partnership, great relationship. But again, I just want to create awareness for this. And what this is a thumb drive that has AI installed on it. Now, I haven't done really any AI videos on my channel. I don't profess to be an expert by any stretch of the imagination, but so as you know, with some of this kind of stuff, I kind of take on the perspective of the consumer, and so I'm going to give it to you straight: what this is, what it can do, why you might want it, and so forth and so on. So first of all, what is this? Again, this is a thumb drive that has an AI installed on it, which will run on any PC that has minimum specs. And you can see, you can go to their site to see the minimum specs as well. But it's a pretty serious spec requirement. Like, you need a decent processor and you need at least 8 gigs of RAM just to run the program. So don't try to run this on an 8 gig laptop because it's probably going to choke. But if you have a laptop that you've bought in the last few years, it should have more than 8 gigs of RAM anyway. Anyway, it has this Gemma AI installed on it, and you can go to their site to learn more about this. But basically what this is it allows you to plug in this AI into a computer completely off the grid, no internet required, nothing. And it allows you to access the power of AI. And it has pre-programmed, it's learned on billions of websites and sources and documents. It's all prepper content. It's all, like gardening and hunting and fixing things and defense and, any topic that you might think of for prepping, it's on here. And so what this would do is you'd be able to access, if the grid went down or crap hit the fan and the internet is no more, you still have access to a powerful AI tool that helps you to cope with life in a post-internet world. So this is what comes with the, this is an optional, but this is what it comes with. So it'll come with the thumb drive, you get a cool sticker, and then it will come with, I actually don't have it, but because I have a pre-production model, but it's going to come with a PIN code to log into this. So you kind of want to keep all this together so you don't lose anything. But basically, you can buy this and throw it into, this is an optional Faraday bag by Mission Darkness. This is one of the best brands out there for Faraday bags. So you can put this in, put your thumb drive into this, and it'll be completely protected from EMP, solar flares, even a nuclear blast that creates an EMP, that kind of thing. So you'll keep it viable in this bag long term, and you can just kind of put it in there and forget about it. Or you can be proactive, and I'll show it in a future video how you can add to your knowledge base here. So basically this is just like a big knowledge base that you can access if you ever didn't have internet for whatever reason. So let's talk about why you might care. Here's one example. Let's say the grid goes down, the crap hits the fan, and it's been weeks since normal civilization. And you've got to start, covering the basics. Maybe you're running low on water, you're running low on food, and so forth. Let's say maybe you have an IBC tote like this, and you want to create a rain catchment system. Well, I mean, you can kind of crudely put something together, but then how do you filter it? Like, it's the water's coming off your roof and collecting in a storage bin, and this bin is dirty and potentially starts growing algae. Like, what do? How do you filter it? You may be able to think back to kind of science class and think, okay, I need some charcoal, I need this and this and this, or you could go to this AI tool, plug in 60 seconds, you could plug in, how do I filter rainwater? Boom, it'll spit out a big digest for you of exactly step-by-step how to do it. And I'll show that in a future video where I go more in depth. I show you the interface, I show you how it works, some of the searches that you can do. I mean, you can do any search, but it's got some pre-programmed searches in there for you. It's really cool. He's shown me, David's shown me a lot of cool features that I'm not even gonna be able to do justice to. But I'll show that in a future video. I'm just kind of the thought exercise here is you might have to repair your refrigerator, you might have to troubleshoot how to start your car. There may be any number of things that you might have to do in a post-internet world that our brains kind of haven't had to think along those lines in so long. We've just gone to YouTube, we've gone to Google, we've searched how to do something, boom, it spits it out, we do it. And so now we kind of have to rewire our brains a little bit. And if you just can't figure it out, then you have a tool that you can plug in and ask for help. So as of the upload of this video, this is selling for $130. I don't know what these are going to end up costing as an add-on to this, but by the time this is uploaded, probably all of that will be live on their site. So you can go to their website, or you can go to my website and check out this product for more information. I really highly recommend, if you're a prepper, that you have something like this in your bug out bag or your retreat somewhere. Again, you will need to have a laptop or a desktop computer that can handle this thing, so that's kind of the drawback. That's really kind of the only thing that I see as a major weakness to this product, is it does require some horsepower to run. You would not be able to just plug this into like a Chromebook or something weak. It would need to be a respectable laptop or a desktop computer. Not anything crazy, not like a gaming machine or something like that, but it definitely needs to have some good specs. So that's kind of the weakness. The pluses is just, and here's another thing. This is kind of my own personal theory, but I think it's likely to happen because we've seen it happen with Google and other tools, is over time I think we're going to see AI kind of become weaponized for disinformation and steering narratives and kind of brainwashing us. And so what this kind of does is it gives you kind of an AI that's cutting edge 2026, but that you could put in this bag and kind of store long term and pop it out sometime in the future. Maybe it's 20 years later and you pop this thing in. Meanwhile, AI has marched on technology-wise and now has kind of been corrupted by the big companies and by the CIA, the government, whoever, and is no longer a trusted source. Well, this is pre all of that. This is kind of a time capsule, and all of this information on here, like how to treat wounds, like maybe you get a really deep laceration and you need to know how to treat it with, herbs and, basic things, then all this information is still going to be accurate. It's not like, all of our knowledge from 2026 needs to be flushed every few years and updated. So keep that in mind. This is a good long-term investment for $130. You can just throw this in somewhere safe and it'll be a great resource for you if you ever need it. Hopefully you don't need it, but if you do, you're definitely going to be glad you have this. So again, stay tuned for another video in depth on this and how to use it, what the screen looks like, the interface, all that kind of stuff. But for now, that's it, and thanks for watching.